Welcome CRO family, thanks for joining me today, March 28, 2024. Subscribing, liking, commenting and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 15.2 cents, up 4.11% with volume down 1.67%. The price is ranging from a high of 15.4 cents and a low of 14.5. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 4,049,265,000 which is up and a trading volume of 26,964,000 which is down. Etherscan is showing 308,432 holders, up 129. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com, with 45.1%, number 2 is Upbit with 18.73%, and number 3 Coinbase with 11.76%. For our social presence on X, our main account has 2.7 million followers, and our main Reddit channel has 200,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir, take care.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.